Hi everyone, welcome back to the Kitty Workshop. I'm Nikisha. So this is actually going to be the fourth box that came on the pallet. So I'm not sure what's in it. I ordered a bunch of stuff, but I know part of the shipment isn't coming until in a few days, like 3-4 days. So let's find out together what's in this box.
This is just as much a surprise to us as it will be for you. Alright, what did it say?
Let's see what's in here. Oh wow! Alright, we can actually do a setup. So these are the inks. So see. Oh, so we went with the inks that come with the equipment, because if you use any other ink, it actually void the warranty, and we don't want to void our warranty. So we have the yellow, white, black, blue, cyan, and magenta. So what I bought was the setup kit. So it also came with the cleaning solution. We have some swab. We have the sponge that's gonna go in there. We're gonna go through all of this for the setup. And we have some wipes. So from the video that they sent us, there is a daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning that has to be done. So we're gonna go through the setup, probably do a few, as time progresses, we're gonna go through each maintenance. You'll see what I do as we go through it. So what else we got in here? So this is the film. So the maximum it prints is a 13 by 19. So it's an A+ sheet size. So we have some film here. And this is 100 in here. And here is, oh, we have both. And this is another, so that's a different brand. This one's Kodak. So this is another same size, A+, 13 inches by 19 inches. And then, because I knew that we have to do some test prints, I bought the letter size so we can do like checking the print quality and stuff like that. That's going to be merely from this sheet instead of using those large sheets. So this is just for tests, but we could also use it for actual transfers. So we can actually start.
All right.
Oh, we can't start. What's missing is the powder. So we can do the ink installation and stuff like that, and we could do a test print, but we won't be able to actually do a full transfer because the powder is coming later. So I might actually hold off till then, but we'll see what happens. All right, thanks again for watching. This is a good surprise. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of these as we proceed of converting. I wouldn't call it a hobby, it's a side business, because we're way past a hobby at this point. But my husband is not, is like, yeah, it's not a hobby anymore. But as we go from a part-time into a full-time business, that's the ultimate dream of one of many businesses that we want to do for our family. So thank you for joining us on the journey. Any questions, comments, we'll document as much as we can. You'll see our journey.
Yep, and look at the shop. It's a big space, but like it's a multi-business. So you see, we have lasers, 3D printers, lots of other printing equipment, presses, cutters, the whole work. So we're in the process of transferring this shop to an outside area where we could have better venting system, more spacious room, and a better design and layout of our business office. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to us. It helps us to grow, and it's also a positive sign that we're moving in the right direction. Don't forget to comment and let us know what you think.